Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this morph animation in PowerPoint. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, as always, delete everything. Then go to insert and insert a box around the dash box. Then copy it 4 times. And align them in a way that you think fits your presentation. Like this. Then select every one of them and give them no outlines, and also fill the background with black. Then I'm going to fill this shape with green, this one with white, and this one with red. And here, this shape I'm going to fill with a picture. You can get any picture from unsplash.com, and I got this from there, so check them out. Okay, so I'm going to copy it, go here, and then paste it. Then you can just put your text here. Okay, now you have to duplicate the slide. After that, select this one and send it to the back. Then select this one, send it to the back. Then send this one to the back. And then straighten every one of them. Like this. Select every one of them, go to picture format. Align to center, and then align to middle. Then put this above your other slide. Then go to transitions and apply the morph transition to it. Now if this looks weird, then it's because we haven't sent this here to the back. So now we just have to send these to the back. Now if you take a look, everything should be fine. Now I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.